Are you pulling your hair out trying to upload your podcast to Buzzsprout? Let's troubleshoot the most common Buzzsprout upload headaches so you can get your podcast heard. First, let's tackle file format problems. Buzzsprout prefers an MP3 file if you're using another format such as WAV. Convert it to MP3 using free online tools or your editing software. Next, double-check that your MP3 audio file meets the size and length limitations. Buzzsprout has a maximum file size and certain audio file length limits. Depending on your plan, check your Buzzsprout plan details to ensure you're within the limits. Files that are too large simply will not upload. Another likely culprit: your internet connection. A slow or unstable connection can cause uploads to stall and fail. Ensure you have a stable Wi-Fi signal or use an Ethernet cable for a more consistent connection. Try restarting your router if necessary. Let's move on to the browser. Sometimes the issue lies within your web browser. A cluttered cache or outdated browser can hinder upload functionality. Clear your browser's cache and cookies, and always make sure your browser is up to date. Try a different browser, like Chrome or Firefox, to rule out compatibility problems. Finally, consider Buzzsprout's server status. Occasionally, their servers experience maintenance or technical issues. Check Buzzsprout's status page or social media for any reported downtime. If all else fails, contact Buzzsprout support directly. Using these troubleshooting steps will help you upload your podcast to Buzzsprout with ease. Happy podcasting. Now go make your podcasting dreams a reality.